Shotgun. I'll tell you what, Kevin Kelly, Too Sexy, Brian Christopher kicking things off, but we're just a week away from Breakdown in Your House.
And if you think that the equation has changed for Stone Cold Steve Austin, is he gaining allies? Remember these three letters, DTA. Austin hasn't forgot him.
I was so mesmerized by your analysis.
I'm hypnotized just by the camera alone.
His opponent from Las Vegas, Nevada, weighing 242 pounds, Val Venis.
What a reaction for Val Venis, who has stirred the pot a bit in this situation with Mr. Runnels.
I wonder if Val Venis is going to get his own floor at the WWF Hotel and Casino when that eventually opens.
Tell you what about Val Venis' latest video, which debuted this past week on Raw, The Preacher's Wife?
I don't know if Dustin Runnels is going to go back to see it again. I bet it was the feel-good hit of the summer, if you know what I'm saying, especially for Val Venis. We knew Dustin Runnels and Terry were getting on the road to recovery. I think that road has been derailed courtesy of the big Val Boski.
And there he is. Val Venis should be a competitive matchup this week against Brian Christopher. Kevin mentioned a bit earlier on, what a treat we have for you this week on Shotgun. A Battle Royal. Look out. Maybe she's in the Battle Royal.
I don't know. There's going to be a lot of big guys in there and not a lot of ring space. We'll see who's tough enough to survive.
Hello, ladies.
Oh, he's talking to you.
Watch it.
You know something? The Big Val Boski is exactly like the Rubik's Cube. You know, the longer you play with it, the harder it gets.
Please, is that true?
Well, I know that Rubik's Cube was big in the 80s, but it kind of lays in my drawer now.
And here we go now. Val Venis set to lock up with Brian Christopher.
What a fool. Well, Brian's trying to show that he's no slouch in the girl-getting department.
And Christopher gives away a good 30 pounds to Val Venis.
You ever see all the girls that Brian Christopher has with him on the road?
Not really.
Oh, my goodness.
A lot, huh?
All the time.
You and him hang out a lot?
No, Scott Taylor can't get any either.
And here we go now. Great reaction for Val Venis and Brian Christopher. Should be a tremendous matchup. In fact, folks, Val Venis will be in action. Breakdown in Your House next Sunday. He takes on Dustin Runnels live on pay-per-view. That should be a tremendous match. Dustin with a lot to prove.
Certainly does, and a real score to settle with the big Val Boski.
Val misses with the right hand. Christopher backs into the ropes now. Nice counter by Val Venis. Christopher quickly back up. Val misses with the attempted clothesline. There's a kick to the midsection. And Christopher, wow, nice DDT.
And Too Sexy doesn't follow up with the cover, but Michael, of course, at Breakdown in Your House live on pay-per-view next Sunday. Everybody's talking about the triple threat match for the WWF Championship, which we can now, in effect, I guess, call a handicap match. It really is 2-on-1, and Mr. McMahon could not be any happier.
What a power move by Val Venis. And a bit later on in the program, folks, we're going to show you this new business deal, which has been reached between Mr. McMahon, The Undertaker, and Kane. And what in the world is that all about?
I don't know, but I don't think it spells good news for Austin as Val slings Christopher back into the corner.
Wow, what a chop.
Resonating all over the arena.
One for Christopher now. And Val's had about enough.
Like Sosa and McGuire going back and forth.
Listen to those shots. Wow. And the crowd really into it this week. Folks, don't forget Sunday Night Heat. Sunday night, 7 o'clock, 6 Central on the USA Network. We're speaking about Dustin Runnels. Dustin in action against Mankind, but before that, Dustin will be in action a bit later on in Shotgun. Nice power move by Val, hooks the leg, and a kick out.
And you got to wonder what Dustin Runnels' demeanor will be following the humiliation of seeing his wife, Terry Runnels, as a co-star in Val's latest feature.
Val telegraphed that one. There's the kick to the midsection now by Christopher. And he sets him up again for a DDT.
But for a second time, Brian Christopher does not go for the cover. This time, though, still recovering from the chop onslaught courtesy of Val earlier on.
You were talking about the triple threat match. What about this allegiance that seems to have been formed between Mankind and The Rock, possibly Ken Shamrock? An allegiance of coincidence or an allegiance of convenience?
Well, don't think that Stone Cold Steve Austin hasn't noticed the fact The Rock and Mankind, and as you say, perhaps Ken Shamrock are forming this little allegiance But I've got a feeling this isn't going to change Austin's game plan. He still knows he's going into breakdown. Wow! He knows it's a handicap match. I don't think Austin trusts anyone, even if it could possibly save him the WWF Championship.
Well, I'll tell you right now, Kevin, in a week, I do not think Stone Cold Steve Austin's going to be WWF Champion.
No one thinks Stone Cold is going to be WWF Champion.
There's no way.
The only person who thinks he's going to win is Austin himself. What will the Rattlesnake do to avoid this whole situation?
Honestly, though, do you really believe Stone Cold Steve Austin, deep down in his heart, believes he'll be champion in a week?
I don't think a man like Austin ever thinks negative. I think he knows he can fight his way out of anything, but even he has to know the odds are greater than ever before.
What a suplex by Val Venus.
Val very innovative in a lot of his in-ring maneuvers. He and Brian Christopher having one whale of a contest kicking us off here this week on Shotgun.
Knee to the midsection now. Patented move here by Val Venus, wearing down that midsection. Russian leg sweep now by Val. Folks, still to come, that huge battle royal. Listen to some of the stars will be involved. The Beast, the Headbangers, The Rock, Kurgan, and the rest of the oddities.
The ring will be filled. It's going to be a war. Plus, we'll also see Scorpio go one-on-one against D'Lo Brown. And, of course, we'll also see the WWF Light Heavyweight Champion Taka Michinoku. Plus, a look back at what was a tremendous Raw is War this past Monday.
Christopher hammering away now with the right hand. Val Venus seems to be a bit tired. Can Christopher capitalize now? From the top rope. Here's Too Sexy.
Trying to superplex.
Can't get him up. Val with a nice counter. And now hammering away, and the crowd really reacting now. Wow, what a move by Val Venus. Setting him up. Money shot time. If he connects here, it's all over. Wow, there it is. Hooks the leg. This will be it. Val Venus victorious on Shotgun.
Here is your winner,